In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion Calendar. It's a fantastic, intuitive tool designed to help you manage your time, tasks, and projects all in one cohesive space. Many of you are looking to integrate it seamlessly into your workflow, so let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively get started. Clarifying the setup. Before we dive into the specific steps for adding Notion Calendar, it's important to clarify something. If you've been searching for a guide on how to add Notion Calendar specifically within the OpenAI Help Center, you might have noticed that relevant articles or direct integration steps aren't typically available there. This is because Notion Calendar is a distinct application, a product of Notion Labs, separate from the OpenAI ecosystem. Its integration methods are primarily managed and documented by Notion itself. Step 1. Visit the official Notion website. The first crucial step to successfully adding and integrating Notion Calendar into your daily routine is to visit the official Notion website and their dedicated Help Center. They are the authoritative source for detailed setup guides and the most current integration options. Look for sections related to Notion Calendar setup, connecting calendars, or integrations. You'll find comprehensive step-by-step guides there for everything, from downloading the Notion Calendar app to linking it with your existing Notion workspaces and connecting other calendar services like Google Calendar or Outlook. Step 2. Download or access Notion Calendar. The typical process involves either downloading the dedicated Notion Calendar application for your device and logging in with your Notion account, or using the web version to authorize connections to other calendar providers through the Notion Calendar settings. The exact sequence will depend on the specific integration you're aiming for and Notion's latest feature updates. Pro tips for a smooth integration. Always ensure your Notion workspace is updated before linking calendars. If you use multiple calendars work, personal, team projects, create separate calendar views in Notion for clarity. Check for integration updates regularly on the Notion Help Center. Notion frequently rolls out new features that improve syncing and embedding. Consider creating a dashboard page in Notion where all calendar views and key tasks are centralized for maximum productivity. While the OpenAI Help Center might not be the place for Notion Calendar setup, knowing where to look is often half the battle. If this guide helped clarify how to find the right information for your Notion Calendar integration, please hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any